I grabbed a basket from Walmart and I'm going to show you how to make a super easy DIY plant stand. I traced the bottom on a scrap piece of 1/4-inch plywood. I used my cordless jigsaw to cut the circle shape out, and keep in mind that jigsaw's cut on the upstroke, so the top side is going to be a rough edge, but don't worry, we're going to sand that. As you can see, next I sanded the edges and sanded both surfaces to make everything smooth. For the legs, I used 1-inch dowel, and I turned my miter saw to 15 degrees, and I cut the angle for the bottom and the top part of each leg the same. So the bottom part of the leg and the top part of the leg were both cut at 15 degrees, and I cut 3 legs. I quickly hand sanded the legs just to smooth them out a little bit, and then I secured them to the base. So I measured about 2 inches in from the edge of the round part, and that's where I drilled my first hole. And then I also pre-drilled in the dowel, and then I put a screw with a washer in. And spoiler alert, I'll let you know that I ended up taking the washers out. I wanted the screw to sink in a little bit more, so yeah, I ended up taking the washers out. You'll see later on in this video. And then for the next 2 legs, I measured about 4.5 inches from the center to the next spot, and then I had kind of drawn a circle that was about 2 inches from the edges, so I just measured along on those circle there to space them out somewhat evenly. This little macrame detail I thought was kind of cute, but wasn't totally the vibe I was going for. I decided to just take it off. It was stitched on with just thin thread, so it came off very easily.
Oh, it just comes right out.
I used my favorite cordless Surebonder glue gun to just put a whole bunch of hot glue, and then I put the basket on, and my glue is a different color here just because that's what was in my glue gun. I placed a plant inside, and now I have a beautiful DIY basket plant stand for a fraction of the cost, just the cost of a basket. Feel free to subscribe if you like this video, and check us out on other social media at So Bright Home.